What's up, everybody? Austin back. And I'm just wondering if you're ready. I'm not sure if you're ready. Little peek. I want to show you, and I'm going to challenge. I might be setting myself up for failure and embarrassment. But I challenge you guys, all my realtor friends, Mariana, Femi, Sam, Sal, my mom, anybody, find a nicer kitchen under $1 million in the South Bay. I'm challenging. I'm putting it out there. Let's see what you got. But I don't know if y'all are even ready. I'm just, you know what? Forget this. I'm gonna turn this off. I'm gonna talk about something else, and I'm gonna come back in like a week or two because you guys are just not ready for it. You're just not ready. So anyway, you guys haven't. Nah, I'm just playing. Let me show you what I got. You guys ready to see this kitchen? It's not even 100%, but I'm so excited. It's a little peek. Little peek. I'm so excited to show you. Come on. Finally, it's a little bit ready to see. And it's daylight. The best view of this kitchen is actually at night. But let me show you. I'm going to try to be in this, so that's why going backwards is a little odd. But let me introduce you to the kitchen that we've been so hyping up. So there's my custom reclaimed wood. The hell do you call that? I don't have an island, so it's a peninsula. So we wrapped it with the reclaimed wood. Get that crap out of here. That's a cheap looking stool. We're gonna do better about that. I thought that was real pretty, and look what it matches. Never mind that ugly fireplace. That's gonna get fixed. But look at that. For all of you that are into the whole barn door thing, which, by the way, my wood guy, I was trying to tell you, you need to look him up. American Wood Importers. Talk to my boy Mike. Hooks it up. That is my barn door. Solid, both ends. It's beautiful. Anyway, come on, let me show you some more. Ugly fireplace. It's gonna be fixed, promise. So, that matches that. And then, as we enter, see my cool light? That moves, by the way. And then I tried to match it to that. I'm not excited about that one anymore. But anyway, it is what it is. So welcome. I want to show you. This is what I'm really excited about. An under $1 million house. Where have you seen hand-picked Costa Rican live edge wood as a countertop? That's not butcher block BS. That's some live edge wood from Costa Rica. Yeah, it's nicer than marble. Let's just put it that way. It's not free, by the way, either. And have you seen all those new videos of all the people doing the epoxy? Looky, looky. Did that all around, and I got dust. Sorry about that. But this isn't even completely the cool part. At nighttime, this place is sick, but I just wanted to show it to you. Look at the grain. And yeah, you got to take care of it, just like you would your wood table. You want to put coasters on it, but it's pretty durable. There's this side. Look what that is. For you ladies out there, or guys, chefers, this is a 48-inch, 6-burner with a griddle. Let me see where the damn name is. What's that say right there? Oh, it's backwards. Thermador Professional double oven. Are you kidding me? Got the jet engine Thermador over the hood range, and I'm not even kidding you. Sounds like a damn jet engine. Keep things nice and smoke free. We threw the wood, reclaimed wood there. As you can see, look at my backsplash. God, that light is annoying, and it sucks. So I got the backsplash running all along the line here. So as you can see what I did, let's get some light in here. Is that better? So the reclaimed wood, I had all these new broad walk style cabinets. I didn't want to go with the shaker that everybody's doing. This is supposedly in all the higher end houses in Orange County and whatnot. Stainless steel knobs, they're all right. They're nothing fancy. Went with the white quartz Carrera, but it was too white. Too much white going on, so I wanted it to be broken up. So we threw the reclaimed wood on there. I think it came out nice. And then on this side, to keep it simple, went with the white, what the hell is that called? Subway tile. But this is the cool part, and this is why this place is neat at night. You get it darker, let me turn that off. Come over to my little switch. Got a couple switches over here. That one right there. Bam. Can you see? Under the counter, under the cabinets. At nighttime it's all sexy, you just need to turn that on. Got the under counters. Under every cabinet. Along the way. Under the cabinets. And then under the wood. So at nighttime, this all lights up and you get to see the epoxy lit up. I'm not sure if you can see that. See how it's lit up? So at nighttime we have this thing all lit up and it's just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So this kitchen has finally come to be. It was a mess in here before. It was not sexy. Oh, and then the very end with that ugly door is the laundry room. So we're continuing these cabinets with the same Carrera marble, so it'll look like a long bowling alley of cabinets once that's done. So we're almost done with this. Ceilings are done. I got all the white moldings. The big trim to give it that modern look. So my whole theme of the house is like a modern, rustic mix. So we did all the modern trim, big windows, big trim around all the windows, nice and clean. Little cool lights that I got on the island here. Can you see? Oh, and we got those new outlets with the USB. But this turns that bad boy on. Kind of cool. Got that big old table there. So here's all the lights. This place has more lights than God now. Get all those damn lights on my ceiling. Jeez. Lights up the yin-yang. So the place is coming together now. We're pretty much done, except for that ugly fireplace. We're going to do something with that shit. Floors are in. So the house is coming together. We went with like a light gray. And the thing is this was an accident, but it looks like the same exact color as the last house I had. Didn't mean to do that. That's that kitchen. So I challenge you to find a nicer kitchen under $1 million in the area. Thermador 48-inch stove. That stove is not a cheap one. Thermador Professional 48-inch overhood. Thermador blue topaz model. Thermador, whatever the hell that thing's called. Dishwasher. And even this is kind of ghetto. I'm not a big fan of it, but we got the Thermador microwave hidden away. So I didn't want it to be on the cabinet or on the counters. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to unveil my beautiful, beautiful kitchen. And at nighttime, I should show you some pictures of how it looks at night because it is gorgeous. But I'm super excited. I think this is going to sell the house. What do you guys think? Leave some comments. And like I said, see if you can show me some better kitchens for under $1 million. There's a house down the road going for $9.99. Its kitchen is comparative. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys have a great day. I'm going to come back with a little more videos. We're pretty much done with phase 1. Still haven't put that other addition on yet. But there you go, guys. I hope you're well. I hope you like that kitchen. You guys have a great one. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later.